How to get unbanned from Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the menu page. Once you're in the menu page, scroll down. Head over to the option of Help and Support. Now click on the option of Report a Problem. Click on the option of Continue to Report. Now click on Include. Here you're going to find different features. Select the feature Marketplace. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now over here, you have to type in your issue. Type in maybe you have unknowingly violated the guidelines of Facebook Marketplace, and resulting to that, your Facebook Marketplace has been banned. Type in you will be more conscious about the Facebook Marketplace guidelines from next time, and then request Facebook support team to unban your Facebook Marketplace and then send it. And by this, Facebook support team will get back to you within 24 hours, and then you can have detailed conversation with the Facebook support team, and with that your problem will be resolved. Well, this way you can easily get unbanned from Facebook Marketplace. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.